His writing is good. د هغه لیکایي ښه ده. His writing is good. There is my home. دغلته زما کور دی. There is my home. Boys are playing. هلکان لوبې کوي. Boys are playing. Horses run fast. اسونه تیزه منډه وهي. Horses run fast. It's entirely true. دا بالکل رښتیا دي. It's entirely true. Get out now. وس بهر لاړ شه. Get out now. She gave a smile. هغې مسکا وکړه. She gave a smile. He goes to school. هغه مکتب ته ځي. He goes to school. It's the usual way. دا طریقه عام ده. It's the usual way. Charles is king. Charles پاچا دی. Charles is king. He covered his face. هغه خپل مخ پټ کړو. He covered his face. His appearance is neat. د هغه شکل صفا دی. His appearance is neat. I am bound to obey. زه منلو ته مجبور یم. I am bound to obey. Give respect to elders. د مشرانو عزت کوئ. Give respect to elders. Be quiet. غلی شه. Be quiet. یا تاسو ویلی شئ Be quiet. چپ شه. Sit beside me. ما سره خوا کې کینا. Sit beside me. Dinner is ready. د ماښام ډوډۍ تیاره ده. Dinner is ready. His expression changed. د هغه اظهار بدل شو. His expression changed. He stopped me. هغه زه منع کړم. He stopped me. Asad is a teacher. اسد یو استاذ دی. Asad is a teacher. Walk slowly. روزه. Walk slowly. یا تاسو ویلی شئ Walk slowly. په قلاره ځه. It's a considerable amount. دا روپۍ کافی دي. It's a considerable amount. The prince arrived. شهزاده راورسید. The prince arrived. I am somewhat tired. زه د سهده پورې ستړی یم. I am somewhat tired. Let's walk. ځئ چې ځو. Let's walk. Go away. لرې لاړ شه. Go away. I wonder why. زه حیران یم چې ولې. I wonder why. The project is complete. پروژه بشپړ ده. بشپړ یعنی مکمل. The project is complete. He is the greatest player. هغه غټ کلاړی دی. He is the greatest player. Please provide water. اوبه فراهم کړه. Please provide water. This is an apple. دا یو مڼه ده. This is an apple. He speaks پښتو. هغه پښتو وایي. He speaks پښتو. This is perfect. دا بهترین دی. This is perfect. The court is open. عدالت کولاو دی. The court is open. He exclaimed loudly. هغه په زوره چغې کړې. He exclaimed loudly. Youth is our future. ځوانان زموږ مستقبل دی. Youth is our future. Come here. دې خوا راشه. Come here. یا تاسو ویلی شئ come here. دې پله راشه. د دې نورو ویډیوګانو نه ځان خبرولو دپاره د چینل PE سبسکرایب کړئ او د بیل د آیکن آل نوټیفیکیشن کلیک کړئ. نورې چې کومې ویډیوګانې راځي نو تاسو په دې په وخت خبریږئ. Thanks for watching.